Want this in InShot? First, let's add some keyframe. So, keyframe at the end of the first clip and the beginning of the second clip. So, I'm gonna add two keyframes here, and then second keyframe zooming in, and then I'm adding some graph as well. And second, again, I'm zooming. The first keyframe is zooming on the second clip. So, this is how it looks now. Actually, it doesn't look smooth, so I'm gonna change the graph. Okay, now this look kind of smooth. Now what we have to do is adding some effects, like that is FX. So here I'm gonna go on the option okay, weather and ripple effect, and we have to decrease the value like 0 and add ripple effect. After that we can just export this clip. After exporting, go to the same project and then remove the effect, and also you have to remove those this keyframe as well. Just remove every keyframe that you have there, and then next you have to add that exported as the overlay of this, and then cut out the first and last portion. Just make it 3 seconds here, like 3 seconds. And then you have to do is adding keyframe again. We have to add 4 keyframes, one here, 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 and the end. So 4 keyframe you have to add, and then you have to decrease the first and last the opacity. You have to make it 0. First and last keyframe opacity should be 0. And then what you have to do is going to the shake option, adding shake at the beginning of the clip, like just the beginning, like beginning of the transition. So here just a beginning of the transition. Then you can decrease or increase according to how it looks. And then next is you have to add baz option from the blur option, and here I'm gonna add baz option, I mean baz effect. And here again I'll be adding to all clip. Okay, so object should be like all clip, and then again I'm splitting it and making into two parts. Second baz I'm taking this, and first badge is like the same thing. And also you can increase the value of both the badge so it look like more blurry kind of transition. And then what you have to do is adding some RGB effect. We have to add RGB effect from the glitch option. You can just check how it looks, and then from that you can just make the RGB effect. And you don't have to make it all clip because it doesn't look good as whole clip. So you don't have to make like this. You can just make it to the only the that PIP, just PIP. You can make like that. And what you have to do next is let's see, you can duplicate this shake and add it to the second clip as well. So you can just check and add it like where it looks, I mean where in which place it looks good, you can add it like that. So yeah, I'm just checking how it looks and then I did like this. Okay, you can just add like this if you want. And then what you have to do is adding cam shake effect to whole clip, and don't forget to make it like all object. Don't forget to make it all object. And then yeah, that's it. Now you can add some coloring or something that you want and make the clip look more good. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day and have a lovely weekend. Everything, have everything good, better, and live a better life. Bye.